Hello viewers, this is IT System Admin, a complete troubleshooting solution for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix Windows search not working. I will show you all possible ways to fix this issue, so don't forget to watch full video. Sometimes you may get an issue that when you are trying to run any app by using Windows search, unfortunately Windows search do not show anything. Click on search. I am trying to open Microsoft Word, so type WORD word. Nope, nothing is showing here. I will show you 4 possible ways to solve this issue. Method number 1, make service run automatic. Okay, right click on taskbar, click on task manager. Now click on services, click open services. Services console has been opened. Now scroll down. This is Windows search. Okay, double click it. Click on drop down menu. Select automatic. Click apply, then click OK. Look, now it is automatic and status is running. Okay, close this window. Now restart your computer. Hope after restarting your problem is solved. If your problem is still persist, so go to method number 2, rebuild the index option. Open File Explorer. Type Control Panel. Look, control panel has been opened. Now change the view type, large icon. Now click on indexing options. Click on advanced. In advanced options, click on rebuild. This is a troubleshooting issue. It will delete and rebuild index. Click on rebuild. Click yes. Click OK. Look, the index item has been rebuilt. Click on troubleshooting search and indexing. Check can't start a search or see results. Click on it. Files, folders, apps and settings does not appear in results. Okay, click on it. Okay, now click on next. Problem found. Windows search is not working. Okay, click on okay, close it. close. Now method number 3, uninstall update. Click on start menu, click on settings, click on update and security. Now click on view update history. This is the latest update. It may cause the problem. Okay, click uninstall update. I am going to uninstall the latest update. Click on it. Now click uninstall. Click yes. Okay, uninstallation has been finished. You need to restart your computer right now. Okay, click on restart now. Hope this will solve your issue. If your problem is still persist, then go for method number 4. Now right click on start menu, open PowerShell as administrator. Now copy this command. I have given the command in description. You can copy these commands from there. Okay, I paste it. Now hit enter. Okay, now copy the second command. And hit enter. Okay, copy third command and paste here, hit enter. Okay, completed. Now close the PowerShell session. Now right click on start menu, run PowerShell as administrator, type cmd. The PowerShell has been converted to command prompt. Okay, copy this command, and paste here and hit enter. Close this window and close the file. Okay, now restart your computer. Hope now your problem has been solved. Look, I'm typing Word. Look, the start menu is showing Microsoft Word. Okay, thank you very much. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial.